Here let's see the installation of fans, smoke exhaust fans and fresh air fan. This is the fan, our fan. Okay. Here is the blades, and here our fan after it fixed. This is the foundation upstand. Okay, and here we put C channel fixed with bolts. Here after this we fix it here the vibration absorber isolators from all sides, 4 sides here, as we see. Here he make bolt here and bolt on the other side. After this he put 2 bolts here to catch the isolation system, and the bolt for the fan it's connected to the isolator itself. Let's see this isolator by itself. There is another isolation system here. Let's see this isolator for the big fan before installation. Here we'll fix our bolt that will enter in the fan, and here the 2 bolts to catch this isolator. This one is kitchen exhaust fan, and this is the rings for it.